Hello and welcome to another wilderness tamed gardening video, and in this one I'm going to introduce you to a native wildflower that might, if given the chance, spring up in your lawn if you maybe don't mow the lawn all the time. Let's have a look at the early purple. So here we have an early purple orchid, and it's currently being visited by what looks to be a common carder bumblebee. So as you can see from the ends of the leaves, this was mown when the grass was cut, possibly a month or two ago now, and I spotted that little rosette of leaves, recognised it for what it was as a native orchid, and suggested to the owner of this garden that they get the gardener to just miss this bit out. So all they do now is mow a little path around the perimeter of the lawn so they can get from the top end down to the little bridge there, and that is surviving. And although it takes a while, in a few years this area could be covered in a nice little population of early purple orchids, which is way more interesting than striped lawns. And anybody who disagrees with that needs to reevaluate their lives. Anyway, just my opinion, to which I'm entitled to express on my own YouTube channel, I think. And if you disagree, and you maybe want to not leave a comment. Happy gardening, folks. Enjoy the sun.